Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. In front of me Sony Alpha, and now I can show you how to set up the flash compensation on this device. To do that, first open my menu, then find flash compensation. It's first block, 10 page. Click on it, and here we have. So. In flash compensation allows you to adjust the intensity of the flash output. So you can increase or decrease the flash power in increments. So positive values make you make the flash brighter, and negative value, of course, make it dimmer. This is useful for balancing the flash with ambient light or achieving the desired lighting effect on your subject. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye.